Hello, amazing viewers. Welcome to the Beauty Show YouTube channel. Here, we celebrate beauty, fashion, confidence, and the inspiring journeys of remarkable personalities. Today, we're shining the spotlight on a rising star whose unique style, confidence, and inspiring story are capturing attention across social media. But before we start today's incredible feature, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Today, we are particularly delighted to shine a spotlight on the incredible Lady J, an American plus-sized curvy fashion model, dynamic content creator, body-positive Instagram sensation, and influential figure on social media. Lady J has captured the hearts of many through her captivating presence on Instagram, where she showcases an array of stylish outfits, lifestyle photos, and engaging videos that resonate with her audience. Born and raised in the vibrant city of Chicago, Lady J discovered her passion for fashion and makeup at a young age. This early interest ignited a desire to pursue a career in the fashion industry, where she could express her creativity and individuality. Currently, she boasts an impressive following of nearly 100K on Instagram, and her popularity continues to surge across various social media platforms. Throughout her career, Lady J has proudly represented and promoted a multitude of fashion, makeup, and lingerie brands, establishing herself as a prominent figure in the industry. It is only a matter of time before we see her gracing the covers of several prestigious fashion and entertainment magazines, a testament to her growing influence in the world of fashion. With an estimated net worth of around $50,000, Lady J's income stems from her modeling endeavors, brand promotions, endorsements, and commercials. Standing tall at 6 feet 1 inch and weighing approximately 130 kilograms, she possesses stunning black hair and captivating eyes that further enhance her distinctive presence. What truly sets Lady J apart is her unwavering commitment to promoting a body-positive message and her confident demeanor. She is a passionate advocate for self-love, encouraging her followers to embrace their natural beauty and celebrate their unique attributes. Her unique style and dedication to fostering inclusivity within the fashion industry have made her a role model for countless individuals. Through her work, Lady J has effectively demonstrated that beauty comes in all shapes and sizes, actively challenging and dismantling stereotypes that often pervade the fashion world. Her inspiring journey has empowered countless individuals to feel more comfortable in their own skin and to take pride in their uniqueness. As we look to the future, we are confident that Lady J's influence will only continue to grow, and we eagerly anticipate witnessing even more remarkable achievements from her.